Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw US market uh, showing mixed reaction, wherein Nasdaq and S&P moved up, whereas Dow was a bit lower. This is against Thursday decline, so marginal up move which has happened in the overall market. Market is still seeing Nvidia continuous moving up, and which was there in Thursday as well. So that has supported the Nasdaq strongly. Apart from that, uh, otherwise overall market was a bit mixed. Uh, and in the futures also markets are a bit lower. Market is in the US today is closed, so will not be having trading in today's trade in the US. But overall seems more of a sideway market for the US, whereas Asian markets are indicating some positive tick, as we are seeing the dollar index coming off by almost around 30 bips as compared to Friday same time. So that is giving some positive direction to Asian market. Uh, Apart from that, the uh, commodities are more of a flattish to marginal down. Some are positive, some are negative. Oil is up by around $1, whereas gas, whereas aluminum has also shown positive trend. Copper is flat. Silver has shown good positive movement. Is showing positive movement, and iron ore and steels are showing negative trend. So overall seems more of a bit sideway or mixed market in today's streets across the board. So similar trend can be visible in India as well. So we may see a range bound trade in today's trade, but some bias towards profit booking. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we are likely to witness some sideways momentum during a day. Already, the Nifty is trading nearby its all-time high levels, so we might witness some sort of a profit bookings on every rise. As of now, Nifty is sustaining about 22,900 levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Any move below that level will attract a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 22,800 levels. Whereas on the high side, as of now, the resistance is placed at around 23,040. Any move above that level, 23,200 levels can be seen. View is bit cautious. No wonder the trend is positive, but one should at least cap their profits by keeping a trailing stop losses. Coming towards the Bank Nifty is well placed above 49,000 psychological mark, which gives a very positive indication on the technical chart as well, and maintain a very strong closing on the Friday itself. Looking towards the technical setup, I believe 49,200 is the immediate resistance level. Any move above that level will extend this positive momentum rally towards 49,340 to 49,400 levels, whereas the support is placed at around 48,800. Below that level will attract some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Bank Nifty towards 48,600, 48,500 levels on the downside. Coming towards the Fin Nifty for today intraday purpose, the Fin Nifty levels, the important support level is kept at around Hello, am I audible to you?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes. Fin Nifty for today intraday purpose 21,940 is the first resistance level. Any move above that level, we extend some positive momentum towards the 23,000 mark. Whereas the downside support is placed at around 21,700, 21,600 levels. So the overall setup is on the technical front on three indices is definitely positive, but we cannot deny the profit bookings at the higher levels. So one should hold the long positions by maintaining a trailing stop losses. That's it from my side. I request Amit to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the directors front, if we look at the last week scenario of the Y position, which is getting shifted and the rally which took place in the Nifty front, we have seen that the position-wise, completely the Y position got shifted on the higher end, while at 23,000 mark, we are seeing that the call right position and put right position on a monthly basis, both are at the tug of war situation, because at that point, at that strike, we are seeing that there is a highest OI position so from the call and put right up both the front at 23,000 mark. So in today's trading session, once if Nifty manages to get close about 23,100 level, then major liquidation we will witness from the call right up front at 23,000 level. While in Friday session, we have seen that heavy position got added at 22,900 and 23,000 mark of a put writer, due to which we might see some supportive base in today's session for the Nifty to go on alongside towards the 23,100 to 150 level and intraday front. While on the next resistance zone where we are seeing the Colorado portion is getting added is directly at 23,300 to 500 markers. The strength seems to be on the positive front. The weekly support for the Nifty lies at 22,800 level. Once if Nifty goes below 22,800 level, then we might witness some profit booking scenario. Till the time it's not going below 22,800 level, till that point of time, we might see some positive momentum only in the market. While PCR closed at 1.12 level, the upside range for the breakout for the PCR will be at 1.18 level. Once if Nifty goes about 23,100 level in today's session, then we will see PCR to also go above 1.18 level, due to which we will get confirmation more on the Nifty front to show some more positive strength. So overall scenario looks to be on the positive front with the support of 22,800 level. While on the stock specific front, Coromandel, Exide, Metropolis and Coforge looks positive. And on the negative front, Indigo, GNFC, and Godrej Property looks negative in today's trading session. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the result side, Indiabulls Housing Finance result has improved on all P&L parameters, including asset quality, where net NPA has come down from 1.7 to 1.5%. AUM has now stopped declining and has started growing on sequential basis. So growth will accelerate from now as the retail disbursements continue to grow from current run rate, which is at 1,000 crores per month of disbursals, to 1,800 crores by the end of the current year. As per company's guidance, it intends to grow its AUM at around 18 to 20% CAGR till FY27 and deliver an ROA of 3.2% by then. So we are positive on Indiabulls Housing. Housing and Urban Development Corporation, that is HUDCO, result has improved. Company has witnessed strong uptick in loan growth, whereby loan book has now crossed 92,000 crores, and sequential growth was 9.7% with year-on-year growth of 15%. And looking at the sanctions and disbursals trend in Q4, it seems that loan growth will further accelerate from here. P&L also improved on all parameters with continued provision write back. Profits were higher by 35% on sequential basis. We expect HUDCO to continue to outperform. Manappuram Finance result is okay. While overall performance was average with loan growth of 4% sequentially, 19% year-on-year, led by non-gold loans, primarily MFI, housing and CVs. The MFI asset quality has deteriorated this quarter, and it has been volatile. One quarter it improves and another quarter it again deteriorates. And that has been the reason that the stock has remained close to its book value. MFI net NPA came at 1.7% versus sequentially 1.3%. Even credit cost for MFI increased from 4.4% in December to 5.8% in March. That's why from a near-term perspective, we are neutral on Manappuram, but from long-term point of view, we are positive. Thank you.
Hi everyone, good morning. Ashok Leyland result ahead of expectation. Revenue grew by 21% QOQ. EBITDA grew by 43% QOQ and 24% YOY. PAT is also above expectations. For FY25, the company aims to maintain similar margin of 12%. The defense segment grew its top line by more than twice in FY24, aiming for higher targets in FY25 with a strong order pipeline visibility. Company has appointed Mr. K.M. Balaji as a chief financial officer of the company, effective from June 1st June 2024. As per company, there is a historical pattern of CV demand picking up after elections, with expectations of growth in both the MCV and LCV segments. Export volumes for the year grew by 5% despite challenging conditions in target markets. The company plans to increase capacity in Spain for quicker sales expansion in Europe, delivering the first vehicle in Spain in September despite the market downturn. In the MHCV bus segment, the company has emerged as a market leader with a market share gain of 5.8%. Market trends look promising. Market trends look promising for the near future. The company continues to be optimistic about industry prospect in the short term to medium term, backed by anticipated robust growth in Indian economy. So overall, the outlook is a positive. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, quite a few pharma company came up with their numbers. Torrent Pharma results were in line with expectations, whereas Glenmark Pharma result was also in line, whereas the Divi's has reported a better number and shown good improvement in CDMO business, wherein revenue has grown by almost around 18% year on year. And EBITDA margin has also shown improvement and came ahead of expectation at 31.7%. The expectation was 29%. And last quarter it was 26.4%. So the Divi's Lab results were well ahead of expectations. May see some positive trend in today's trade. Whereas Cochin Shipyard has reported bit lower numbers. Wherein though the revenue has increased by almost around 114%, but EBITDA has not shown similar trend. EBITDA has come at 288 crore versus last quarter it was 310 crore. So last year there were some losses. So Lumax industry and auto ancillary industry has reported good numbers. That is again, we had seen quite a few auto ancillaries are reporting good numbers. So in continuation of that, this company has also reported good numbers, wherein revenue has grown by almost around 22% year on year, but EBITDA margin has come at 8.9% versus last quarter 9.2% and last year 8%. So overall result bit positive for Lumax industry, and valuations are also reasonable at 17 time FY25 earnings. United Spirit has also come up with the numbers, and numbers were broadly in line with expectations. Prestige and above segment has reported volume growth of around 3.7% versus last quarter 4.6%. Bit lower, but it's okay. Reasonably okay numbers. EBITDA margin came in at 13.6% versus expectation of 13%. Last quarter it was a bit higher at 16.4%, and last year it was 13.6%. So bit ahead of expectation in case of United Spirit. So that's all from us. Now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So prices in gold and silver have witnessed a bounce back. Prices were at support level in gold around 71 200 to 71,000. So a pullback till 71 700 to 800 is expected. And in silver, we are expecting prices to test 92,000, 300. So buying on dips in silver around 90,000, 800 is recommended. And in copper also, the pullback is expected to buying with a stop loss of um, the June contract. One can initiate a buy for a pullback with a stop loss of 888, and on upside again 900 to 902 levels. One can witness profit taking. Similarly, zinc June contract, we are expecting prices to test 275. So prices are supportive at 271. So buying in with a stop loss of 269 is recommended. And in crude oil also, we had witnessed recovery in Friday's session. And buying on dips is recommended around 6450, and one can maintain a stop loss below 6400. On upside it can test 65 500 6550 to 6600. In natural gas, prices are expected to test 200 levels. So selling on rise around 212 is recommended with a stop loss of 220. That's it from us. Thank you very much.